we're going to try to give this boat a new lease on life. All the mold and mildew. Man, even though it's been up under a tarp, it still got that mold and mildew on it. So we're going to try to clean it up. Don't tell her how many years it's been sitting without a cleaning. For real, for real. Way before we got a hold of it. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know if we're going to make it look brand new, but it's definitely got to be cleaner than what it is. Look better. Look at all that. So I think in the end, it's going to need a compounding. If you got any suggestions, hit me up in the comment on it. We appreciate it. Yep. Hit that like button if you think that restoring a boat is a good idea. You know what I'm saying? For real. So we're using a boat brush, if you're wondering. It's designed to clean boats, fiberglass. Yeah, no doubt. So you could go to my comments, not comments, but go to my description below, and you can go to my Amazon account and find a brush. For real. And if you don't like this particular brush, you know, you can go to, like I say, Amazon and find the one you need that'll fit your needs. Definitely it doesn't scratch the finish. It's a good investment. I use on my car and pickup truck as well. Very nice brush. Well, the end product, it could use a compounding, I'm sure. Wouldn't you agree? Yep. See, 21 was the last time it was registered to be on the water. But that boat probably ain't been washed in about 5 years or more. We're going to try to make it do what it do. Stay tuned for the rest of the work on the outside of the engine, of the motor and the boat. All right. Hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your comments. Hit me up. Peace. Stay safe.